just minutes after. I wish I could show you my phone. Actually, I'm gonna do a screen. I'm gonna do a screen recording. But I got a text, or I put like a screenshot up or something like that. Probably within like a few minutes. I'm still at the factory, honestly. I got a shipping confirmation. And this was for not my December 25th order, because like I mentioned, that's the one that has the rain jacket in it. It's Blink, and pretty sure they probably just don't have that at the moment. She's probably gonna just fulfill everything that she can at the moment. But yeah, she don't. I got that shipping confirmation for it's. I might be like the first person to get the clothes and the shoes all in one package. So I have the white Yeezy hoodie and the black Yeezy hoodie. I'm sorry, the white hoodie and the white pants with the black slippers. I already have a pair of the SO ones. I just ordered them from secondhand. Soon as, like, I think probably like the first ones that came out, and it's like in the size 12. I ordered from directly from Yeezy in the size 14. So if she texts me at all, I'm gonna see if she can do anything, like for as like put the right size in there for me. But if I see it come out, or what I'll do is I'll probably get, if I, whatever ones I get, I'll just come here and see if she could just swap them out for me. But yeah, again, I have the size 12 on the SL ones right now. All right, so I want to say this came in 2 days. So it seems as though, which I think is unique, and you'll see on the receipt and the email, I'm probably like one of the first. Well, I think maybe I've seen other people with shoes and clothes in one order get shipped. So I was like probably one of the first people to actually get it in hands. So I had the Gosha hoodie and sweats in the same bag as the SL01s. So they all came together. So, and that's most likely due to me going up, pulling up, and again, within like the hour, they shipped it, at least created the label. So we know for a fact that now the factory has the slippers and not just them coming from China. So I think and maybe this, I don't know the details of this, the other shoes yet, and the boots. It may follow the same situation as the black SLO ones, where it first goes to the people who bought them individually directly from China, and then it'll go with people who have sets or other shoes within it or something. So we shall see. But like I mentioned, it did work going up there, and I did get that shipment relatively quick. I think I ordered that June, not June, what was that? Maybe October or January 1st, one of the two, within that time frame. Let me actually see. Yeah, I think that day. But yeah, it got to me in 2 days, and everything is great, super fire. Definitely be looking at the channel. I'll be probably doing a review soon. But definitely watch out for the podcast. I got my brother Clay. He's a stylist, professional stylist. He's really one of those elite stylists in the industry. We are co-hosting a podcast. It's self-titled at the moment, so it'll just be Renard and Clay. We may put our last names on it as well, but at the moment that's what it is. So please check out that. We definitely going to be talking about Ye, because we are both inspired by him, and obviously, you know, it's a lot going on around that. So, and yeah, but well, yeah.